Sorry, I hit the mute button on the
Okay, so first turn on your computer.
Okay.
Tap on F2.
Okay.
Okay, are you already in the BIOS?
Not yet. Okay, I'm there.
Okay, and then can you look for drive tab?
Okay.
Okay, and then can you check on SATA 0?
Okay.
Okay, and then options at the top. Make sure if rate is set to on.
It is.
Okay, very good. And can you check on SATA 1?
Okay.
And double check if rate is set to on.
It is.
Okay, so press escape to exit and then turn off the computer again.
Okay.
Okay, so if it's completely off, we're going to restart the computer and then during the download row, you need to press and hold the control key and the letter N, and it's a Nancy. So press and hold control key and then keep on tapping the letter N. And then you should see the BIOS wizard on your computer.
Okay. I'm there.
Okay, so do you see there a SATA 0 and SATA 1?
No, it doesn't say SATA 0, SATA 1. It just has, it lists the two drive. It has a title that says boot, status, vendor, array, and size.
I'm sorry, that is boot.
Status, vendor, array, and size. And I have a check mark next to the first one, and both of them say degraded.
Both of them are degraded. At the bottom, can you check if there's an option to rebuild?
Well, if I hit enter, then it shows me the details, SATA 0, and there are options there to rebuild.
Okay, that's good. So does it show you SATA 0 and SATA 1?
Well, no, there's like a main menu, and you have to select one of the drives in order to see the details. And in the details page, it has a rebuild, delete, clear, MBR, and return.
I see. But both of them are degraded, right?
That is correct.
Okay, just one moment. Oh, James?
Yes.
I see
Okay,
you.
so,
Answer the door. Hey Jim, I see you.
Go away or I'm calling the cops.
Here's your mic.
I'm sorry. I hit R and it just returned me back to the main menu there.
Can you try to highlight the hard drive and then press R?
Okay, I did that. It doesn't look like it did anything.
Okay. Try again to
Jim, here's your check.
Press and hold R.
That just, what happens is there's a main menu there and there's two drives, and I hit enter to get to the details on the first drive, and I hit rebuild, and as soon as I hit the R, it returns back to that main menu showing the two drives.
Let's see. Okay, give me just one moment. What needs to happen is when you press R, it should highlight the drive, but it's not doing that.
But I think we have a different, what I'm saying is possibly different from what you're expecting to see. Because I hit, and it shows Media BIOS Dell, April 13, 2007 array list. And then shows a list of the two drives, and I hit enter. And at the bottom of the screen, there's options to rebuild, delete, clear MBR, and return. And when I hit R on that screen,
Jim, I called the contractor board and let them know that you won't accept the payment that you demanded. So you wouldn't answer the door on Saturday, wouldn't answer the door today. So I don't know what the answer is. So the contractor's board will have to deal with you now.